Deonna Anderson, Senior Editor at Green Biz, where I cover the circular economy, and I am joined by Eugene Harerimana. And I am excited to talk to you about Team Robust and all the work that you are doing. So can you tell me a little bit about your proposed solution for the Wege Prize?
Okay, thank you, Deonna. My name is Eugene Harerimana, as you said, and I am from Rwanda. I'm one of the members of Team Robust competing in the Wege Prize. So we have the solution of bringing banana fiber bags from banana waste. So we have seen banana production in Rwanda is averaged to be at 165 hectares, 1,000 hectares, thus occupying around 23% of the land in Rwanda. And the banana strand from the banana stem is considered as waste in our community. And their management is a problem, which is actually like it's one of the main cause of banana wilt, which is a disease that attack bananas, and like they reduce almost 90% of the harvest. So this is the problem that the Team Robusta is trying to solve. And again, on the other side, we have Rwanda as a country struggling from the waste of plastic, which is actually generated in the Kigali city as the main source of the plastic. And according to REMA, which is Rwanda Environmental Management Authority, it reveals that 20% of the total waste generated in the city is waste. So this is a big challenge. And as a Team Robusta, we are trying to bring solution of banana fiber bags that will replace the use of plastic bags, which impose dangers to both human health and also the environment. So our solution will also provide proper banana waste management, and as we are controlling banana wilt diseases in Rwanda. So our products are eco-friendly, durable, recyclable, reusable, and biodegradable. Thank you.
Nice. So I have a couple questions for you. So I know that some of your team is also in Ghana. So I'm curious if these same challenges that you mentioned in Rwanda are present there as well.
We are the team of 5, but we are all from Rwanda.
Oh, okay.
So actually, there are 2 studying at Ashesi University in Ghana. So, but they like after studies, they hope to come back in Rwanda, and they help us. Like we continue with our project.
Got it. Okay, so what inspired, can you just talk a little bit more about what inspired your team to actually tackle this problem? Speaking more to kind of what you already shared a little bit.
So I would say, even though like we are a team of 5 students from different universities, but we share the common goal, which is to be environmental activists. We want to solve the problem of the dangers imposed to the environment. And that's why we came up together, and we said we have to look for the project that will help us achieve that. And also our aim as a group is to involve youth. So how can we involve youth? By doing different projects that will either empower youth in terms of knowledge capacity, but also empower them in terms of finance. So we find there is no other way that we could do it except searching for the project that will solve the problem of youth, but also solve the problem of the environment. So I'm actually studying conservation agriculture, and one of the members called Jermaine is studying global challenge, measuring in environment. And one from Ashesi University is studying business management. So we want to bring all of these skills, different skills from different perspectives, so that we build a project that will solve the problem of youth, but also like solve the problem of the environment. Because I believe that plastics are very dangerous to the environment in terms of soil like being an obstacle for the soil, being the obstacle for water to pass through. So that's why we came up and we are solving this problem.
That's great that you all come from so many different like places of the world, or not the world, but like different parts of business and activism and all that stuff to come together. I feel like you all probably complement each other's different skills and knowledge. So that's great.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. So the next thing I want to know is why you all actually decided to apply for the Wege Prize. This is something that's been going on for some years, and like, how did you all find out about it and kind of dive into this process?
So it's all through internet search. And because we already had the project in mind and we have already started developing some description of the project and how we are going to do it, and we consulted different people involved in environmental protection, especially Rwandan environmental agents. And then we were searching for funds. We were first searching for anything like competition that would help us in terms of developing the idea, making the concrete idea, but also searching for funds. And that's how we came up along the way and find the Wege Prize. And we found that like the all criteria, we have it, and we can join the competition. And we decided to come up in the competition, and here we are.
Okay, so that brings me to another question. If you were to win the prize, what would you do with that money?
Of course, is implementing. We've already done the prototype, and we came up with almost 10 products of our project. And now we've distributed those products into the community. They are using it, and we are waiting for, we are actually started receiving feedback. And the next step, if we win this prize and we get funds, it will be implementing the project step by step. So I think I believe that the Wege Prize is kind of like a golden opportunity to us as a team on our way to implementing the project. And also we've started like consulting different youth organizations that will be key partners to the development of our project.
I'm so excited that you all are already like having the prototypes out into the world. That sounds really cool to be at that point already. So what are you finding most valuable from participating in the Wege Prize? So in addition to potentially getting money for it, like what are you learning through this process?
We are learning a lot of things. First of all, like getting the feedback from Wege Prize team was really helpful in terms of building a concrete idea that solve all the challenges from economic part, from the social part, from the like implication of it. So like all of these, we got them from Wege Prize, and we believe even though we don't win for money, but we believe we've gained a lot in terms of developing our idea. Now I would say we have a very complete idea and solution built up. So I think we've found so many things in Wege Prize. When it comes also to planning as a team, like coordinating the 5 members from different areas, from different like time zones, and we come up to work on the same project. It was really valuable, and we believe we also gained like skills of working as a team, and we are progressing. And I think the feedback from Wege Prize were perfect in terms of improving our idea.
Nice. I'm curious, how have you all like actually maybe like changed your product through the process of being part of Wege Prize? So like, did it start in one place at the start of this and now it's like a little bit different, like the actual product?
Yeah. In the beginning, we only had one product, which was banana fiber bags. and maybe design in different style. Like we have bags in like backpack bag, like handbag, like small bags for girls. But now we've also added another product, which is banana fiber papers, like papers. So it was because of Wege Prize, because we were also taught that we need to find like the waste from our bag has also to be made of something. And that's how we came up like solve like the remainings we'll be making the papers. So it's changed a little bit. We at the beginning we had one product, but now we have two products. And now it's a complete circular economy. I would say nothing is wasted from our process.
That's awesome. So you actually will be like collecting the bags back from people once they're done with them.
Yes, yes.
Mm-hmm. Got it. So I'm curious if you can just share more about what your team's plans are after Wege Prize. Like, what's your vision for like the next year for your team to kind of build out your products?
We actually want to reach to the world and spread the message of protecting the environment. And we believe that one way to protect the environment is through buying our product when our product will be already on the market. Because buying our product will be stopping using plastic bags, which are danger to both health, but also to the environment. And now our plans after Wege Prize is starting implementing, because we've also like suggested different funding agencies that we are hoping to reach out to, so that they can also be key instrumental in terms of implementing our product. And I would say actually in June we have appointment to Rwanda Environmental Management Authority to pitch our product, our solution. So it's that, and it's all about implementing after this.
That is so exciting. Is there anything about your team and the work that you're doing that we haven't talked about that you think is important for people who watch this to know? Just any final thoughts?
I think, yeah, as actually it's all about the environment. And I would say one message that I would like everybody to know is that protecting the environment is everyone's responsibility in many ways. And I believe if we can all work together to protect the environment, our lives will also be protected. And in that manner, we also be protecting, like we'll be also mitigating the climate change. And I also believe that in one way of protecting the environment is helping people, helping the youth who have the similar project of protecting the environment. And of course, the final message is that by our product, you'll be protecting the environment from the danger of plastic. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Eugene. It was a pleasure to talk to you, and I look forward to seeing what happens at the competition.
Thank you.